An outstanding smart lighting control solution, perfectly demonstrated by the Easyctrl second version demo kit. Based on the YC bus protocol, the Easyctrl Demo Kit supports multiple devices, including relay switch modules, 0 to 10 volts dimming module, daily dimming module, smart touch screen, and smart button panel, all connected to the home assistant via a local network. When sensor enabled is selected, the motion sensor is active. When someone enters the area, the lights turn on automatically. When sensor disabled is selected, the motion sensor is ignored. The lights will not react. Smart touch screen control. Smart button panel control. HA app control. X-Panel app control. PC control. This is the Home Assistant server. It features a built-in KNX interface, allowing the KNX devices to be integrated into the entire system. Using ETS software, we can configure group addresses, add control points, and set up different control functions. Now I will demonstrate the Home Assistant server working together with a KNX control system. Smart button panel control. HA app control. PC control. I'm Mindy from Easyctrl, Guangzhou, China. If you are interested, feel free to contact me.